Hi everybody and welcome back to Jaffa Cooks, and today I'm going to be making chocolate chip cookies, but not ordinary chocolate chip cookies. These are going to be nice and gooey and soft in the middle. So soft, gooey chocolate chip cookies. So before we start, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Click on the bell icon, follow me on Instagram and get the latest updates. And do keep messaging me about how those recipes are going when you're following me online. Okay, so first I've got some brown sugar and white sugar. And all the recipe details are in the description below. I'm just going to take my white sugar, brown sugar, and I'm just going to take some melted butter as well that I've got already. And using a whisk, I'm just going to quickly mix those in. Now this recipe will take probably about 10 minutes to do, from start to finish, to mix and get everything ready. And what we need to do is, once this mixture is ready, we need to let it rest for a while. And that's the secret. You let the dough rest, and then after the rest, when you cook the chocolate chip cookies, it should come out nice and gooey. Okay, next I'm going to put the salt in. Make sure it's nicely mixed in. Now, when you're looking at your mixture, this should really just look like butter and sugar just mixed in one big, like, happy, harmonious family. There shouldn't be white sugar separated from brown sugar. So once that's mixed in, that mixture is ready. Next, I'm going to take 1 egg and some vanilla extract. This is where it starts binding together. So do mix that in properly. Make sure it's properly mixed. Okay, mine looks as if it's ready now. Once the wet ingredients are mixed, we need to fold the dry ingredients, and that's the flour and the chocolate chip cookies. Now what I'm going to ask you to do is take your baking soda and actually mix it, instead of mixing it directly into the mixture, mix it into the flour. And the reason why we're going to do that is because it's easier to mix the dry mixtures together than a small quantity of dry into wet, especially when it's this sticky. So once you've got that, you've mixed it in, and this is where you have to be careful. All we're going to do now is just gently fold the flour in. No heavy mixing required at this stage. So eventually the colour of flour will disappear and mix into the sugary mixture. Just to give you a glimpse of what it looks like, it should actually look like that. So it's all just combined in, the flour's all combined into the mixture. And at this stage, I'm just going to take the chocolate chips and just combine those as well. Now normally, a lot of recipes say do this and do that. I don't think so. You like chocolate chunks or chocolate chips, or a mixture of both like I've done, it's entirely up to you. So long as they're roughly the same size, you should be good. Right, once your mixture's combined, at this stage all we're going to do now is cling wrap this and put it in some corner within your kitchen for about an hour, and I'll see you back in 60 minutes. Welcome back everybody. So my mixture's been well rested for about an hour and 20 minutes. Just wanted to mention that if there was a need to leave it overnight, you're more than welcome to leave it in the fridge. But when you do bring it out, it will be quite hard. So you may need to thaw it out, or at least bring it up to room temperature before it becomes pliable and easy to work with. Okay, so now my mixture allows me to make about 12 cookies. I'm going to make 6 round cookie balls for each tray. I've got 2 trays. And it's very simple. You can either use a scoop or just take some in a hand and basically just roll it into a ball and just pop them there. Okay, that's it. That's all you need to do. So I'm going to come back to you once I've completed these. I'm going to pop them in the oven at 180 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. Keep an eye on them, and I'll bring them back out and show you what they should look like. And they should look nice and gooey. See you shortly. Hi everybody, welcome back. Cookies are out. They've been cooling down for about 10 minutes. I'm just going to pick one up and then just see what they like. Well, the base is pretty stable. Are they gooey though? That's the question. Oh, they're gooey enough. And that chocolate, oh wow. And that chocolate really is gooey. The only thing I'm missing is a glass of milk. These are the most gooeyest cookies I've ever made. Try them out. Tell me how yours go. I'll see you soon. Take care for now. Bye.